How to make 3D website in WordPress. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is an open source content management system that enables users to create, manage, and maintain websites with ease. And to start making a 3D website in WordPress, all you need to do is simply go to your WordPress.com and simply sign in your WordPress account in here. And it will show you in here on the left side panel that you can start navigating some other options, including this dashboard, homepage, posts, media, pages, and many more. And to start creating a 3D website, just simply go to our pages option in here. Then proceed by clicking this add new page. Then you will be directed in here. And from here, we can start adding a title. For example, I'm going to enter here 3D website. And to hide it, you could also click this icon on the top of it. And now in choosing a block in here, you could also select under the design library by clicking on the top panel. You should see here a variety of patterns, pages, kits, favorites, and many more with different kind of layouts and also design on it. However, some of these need to have or install an application or plugins called Spectra in order to start using it. So at this point, I'm not going to install the Spectra plugins or application in here in order to start using the design library templates in here. And since we're not trying to install any plugins on WordPress, we're going to use this platform called Spline.design in here, in which it is a web-based 3D design and modeling tool that allows users to create interactive and visually engaging 3D content directly in their browsers. So basically, using this website, we can simply choose here a free 3D design that we can add to our WordPress website. So from here, all you need to do is to simply get started or sign in your account in here. Then you'll be directed on this homepage. And after that, on the left side panel of it, just click to this community and it will show you a variety of 3D that you could also choose from. We could also simply select on it to choose, for example, this one. By simply clicking on it, you'll be directed on the page and all you need to do is to wait for it to load, where it will show you the details and editing tools that you could also navigate to edit this 3D. So this is basically what it looks like. And to proceed, just click this remix in here. And upon doing so, you will be directed on the next tab in here, where it will show you that you could also customize some other lighting, camera, spotlight, and even chips of this 3D. However, to start exporting it, you could also click the export button on the top right corner if you don't want to simply customize it. By clicking the export on this pop-up window, you can navigate to display settings and simply turn on the orbit, plan, zoom, and soft orbit to play it smoothly in our website. And under this overview, just click the loading and select here this one. And if you're now done, all you need to do is simply go back in here and click this copy embed. Then after that, just go back in our WordPress website and simply choose a block in here and select this custom HTML and simply paste here the embed code. And before entering here, make sure to also change this instead of 100%. Just enter 500 pixel or 500 px and click the preview button in order to see what it looks like when the website has now been published. So as you can see, we've now successfully added here the 3D. So you could also choose a variety of 3D art in here on the spline. And if you don't want to have any kind of credits or logo of spline, you can simply upgrade to the pricing plan in here that they offer. So from here, you can start publishing it by clicking the publish button to save the changes. So basically, integrating 3D elements into a WordPress website can significantly enhance the user experience, engagement, and overall visual appeal. And overall, that is just basically how you can create a 3D website on WordPress.